Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo FPV drone. I've scoured the internet, read through specs, watched flight tests, combed reviews, and looked at real user feedback, so I can give you a genuine, honest take on whether this all-in-one flying machine is worth your money or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right out of the box, the Avata 2 Fly More combo makes a bold promise. Immersive FPV flying for adults with impressive safety features and cinema-ready video quality. The combo includes 3 batteries, giving you extended flight time so you can spend more time in the air and less time recharging, which is huge for FPV pilots who want uninterrupted sessions. DJI has also listened to feedback from the first Avata, and with this iteration you get a refined flying experience that's more stable, more intuitive, and more fun. Let's start with what really matters, the flight experience. The Avata 2 delivers smooth, responsive controls that make both gentle cruising and one-push acrobatics feel natural, even if you're not a seasoned FPV pilot. That doesn't mean it's only for beginners, far from it. You get the adrenaline rush of FPV flying with the benefit of safety features like built-in propeller guards to protect both your drone and your surroundings, and intelligent systems that help keep the drone stable and predictable. The 155 degrees field of view, FOV, means you get an immersive visual feed that pulls you into the flight like you're sitting in the cockpit, which is exactly what first-person view flying is all about. On the video side, the Avata 2 captures crisp, cinematic footage in 4K, delivering clear, vibrant shots that look amazing whether you're recording a scenic flight over landscapes or capturing fast-paced action. DJI's video quality has always been a strength, and this drone continues that trend with stabilization and color fidelity that make post-production easier and more rewarding. One of the standout improvements that's getting lots of attention online is compliance with FAA Remote ID, meaning this drone is built with modern flight regulations in mind. A big plus if you live somewhere with strict drone rules like the US or parts of Europe. That translates to peace of mind and fewer headaches when flying legally. I also can't overlook the one-push acrobatics feature, which takes the intimidation out of advanced maneuvers. Instead of complex stick combinations, you can perform flips and rolls with a single button, making it both exhilarating and accessible. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a hobbyist looking to level up your flight skills, this feature is a real crowd pleaser. After digging deep into the specs, community impressions, and real flight footage, here's my honest take. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo, 3 batteries, is a fantastic FPV drone that delivers on performance, safety, and video quality. The inclusion of 3 batteries alone makes this combo feel like real value, especially when paired with DJI's intuitive flight modes and solid regulatory compliance. So should you buy it? Yes, if you want an immersive FPV experience that's both exhilarating and easy to fly, with cinematic 4K footage and extended flight time right out of the box. It's a premium package that enthusiasts and casual flyers alike will enjoy, and in my opinion, it's one of the best ready-to-fly FPV combos you can get right now.